Gentlemen, just going to be sowing these. First of all, you've got to soak them for, some people say 5 days, some people say 24 hours, so what I'm going to do is just soak these banana seeds. Look at the size of those. I'm so pleased with those. Hear them? Hear them? They are solid though, so in they go. And I'm going to keep them at a nice warm temperature, so what I'll do with these is my banana seeds I shall stick them in my heater propagator. Yeah, these are my growing tips. This banana Musa Onseti, one of the hardiest banana species. One of the hardest banana species. Originating in China, it will look good in large pots on the patio and will do well in sheltered areas of the border. Tender perennial height, 7 feet 2 meters, average 5 seeds. Growing instructions: sow indoors at any time. Soak the hard seeds for 24 hours in lukewarm water. Then sow a 1/4 inch, 0.5 centimeters deep, in individual pots and seed compost. Keep moist. Seal the pot in a polythene bag to keep moisture in. Maintain heat at around 25 Celsius, 77 Fahrenheit. Germination will be erratic. Allow up to 6 months. Pot on as needed to larger pots, and plants will grow to the size of the pot. And next one. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. I'm going to be sowing some bananas, mate, which you'll absolutely love with you being a monkey, won't you? That's how we'll Paul. So, these are what we're going to be sowing. Banana Musa Onseti. One of the hardest banana species originating in China. It will look good in large pots and patios. There are the instructions if you want to pause it. It's 0.5 centimeters depth. These have been soaked in some warm water for 24 hours. None are floated to the top, which I've been told is a good sign with these. So what we're going to do with these, we're going to put these on into these pots because they don't like to be disturbed too much, the roots. So what I'm going to do with this is fill these up like so, give them a little tap down. Hope everybody's keeping fine. First time growing bananas, but I cannot wait. These are going to look amazing, absolutely brilliant. So if you want to see how these are going on, please like and subscribe for regular updates. That one, just 2 more to do. These will be going, I'm putting these up about 70, 77 temperature wise. You want them nice and warm. Don't forget these are a tropical plant. Some people say you want to rough them up with a little bit of sandpaper, the seeds, but I don't do that with any of my seeds. I don't think nature roughs plants up, does it, with sandpaper? That's all them done. Now we'll drain these out. Just pour the water out of here into here. Get the seeds. Put my little black gloves on today because using this peat-free compost is really making my hands something that just irritates my hands terribly. These are the seeds, as you can see. So just been dropped. I'm going to plant them with the crown there to the top and just 1/2 centimetre deep. So just if you plant them too deep, you can end up that they run out of energy before they actually get to the top. So like so. There we go. So yeah, these bananas are supposed to have a beautiful reddish tinge to the leaves, which I'm really looking forward to. And I think it's going to give some architectural features to my garden, which I'm really looking forward to. That's the last one. All I need to do then is just give them a quick water in. That's all done now, just give them a quick water, folks. Sorry about my voice, a bit croaky today. If any come to the top, just add a little bit of compost over, like this one here. I'll do this one, just 1/2 centimetre of compost just over there. Sorry about the state of my bench. it is a little bit uneven. I've got some compost underneath my liner, so I'll get that shifted. Yeah, these bananas, I'm looking forward to them so much. Yeah, they've been given a really good water. What we'll do with these now is, like so, quickly over here into my propagator here, like so. Just go and get the other ones. I just want to show you now. Set this to 25. Just get out of the light there. 25 there. Which is great. So you can just get the in here. 25. This is with some. This has got some Dahlia Black Beauties, if you remember the name, in there. So these are the bananas. What we'll do then is just get this in like so. Put it across. That's my bananas sewn in there. Like I said, good thing about dahlias as well, they're a tropical plant from roughly the same region. So we have our bananas and our dahlias all sewn together. If you've got any question about sewing bananas, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sewing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.